Welcome to AMZScout. Start your profitable business on Amazon with an AMZScout Amazon Sellers Bundle. Becoming a successful Amazon seller has never been easier. Thousands of sellers have launched their profitable products using our tried and true tools, and you can do it too. Amazon Sellers Bundle is here to guide you through 6 simple steps to launching a successful Amazon business. It's okay not to know everything or to be a bit worried in the beginning. That is why our first step is a course that will teach you everything you need to know to sell on Amazon. You will learn how to find a profitable product, source it, and sell it on Amazon with the AMZScout Sellers course and feel way more ready to start. With the next step, you will find and validate profitable product ideas to identify a product worth selling. With an annual bundle subscription, you will even get guaranteed niches and products with extremely high potential delivered to you every week. Then, you will find the best keywords for your listing and the PPC campaign to attract a lot of customers. And once you start selling, you will need to monitor the effectiveness of your PPC and keep an eye on the competition to respond to any listing or pricing changes. Don't worry, we have a detailed tutorial for each step and a huge library of masterclasses from expert 7-figure sellers to help keep you well prepared and confident every step of the way. And it helps a lot that the Amazon Sellers Bundle provides all of the tools that you need to launch and grow your Amazon business. Now let's have a closer look at how you will succeed on Amazon. Step 1. Learn how to sell on Amazon with the AMZ Sellers course. Over 100,000 sellers have kicked off their businesses with our course. It covers everything that a seller needs to make money on Amazon, including how to find a profitable product, finding suppliers and private label products, listing and PPC marketing campaigns, other aspects of selling. Our course shows you what you need to do and exactly how to do it with our tools so that you have a clear vision and are ready to act. Step 2. Check the value of a niche. Any product you pick to sell has a niche and competitors. You have to know trends, sales volume, and quality of the competition to be fully ready to succeed. You need to avoid oversaturated niches where you have little chance of making a profit. See whether niches you have in mind are doing well or are going to eat up your investment. Pro Extension instantly shows you if a product niche is profitable or not. You can try this extension for free, no credit card needed. In fact, you can pause this video and install the extension right now. You'll be one step closer to finding your first product. Go to our website, leave your email on the mail page, then click Install once you are redirected to the extension page. The extension icon will show up on your Chrome toolbar in the upper right corner. Open any Amazon page and click on this icon. You will see a spreadsheet with detailed sales information about the product niche. This drastically cuts the amount of research that is needed. You will be able to check every product in the selected niche for the following: sales volume and daily sales history for the past year, so that you can see if the niche and its products have more stable sales throughout the year. You can also check on seasonality and more. Bestseller rank, a rank of a product in its category that reflects its sales in that category. The smaller the rank, the better. The best numbers in categories such as baby are 1 to 30,000. This means that the product is great and always has sales. So if there are several products with low ranks in a particular niche, you have found a niche that is in great demand. Reviews. It's great if a niche has just a few reviews on average, but a lot of sales. It means that products here don't need a lot of reviews in order to get sales. So what you need to find is a niche where at least some sellers on top have less than 300 reviews. Revenue, prices, and margins. Look at the average prices. They should be more than $15 to leave you room for margins. The revenue should be higher than $3,000, and make sure to pay attention to net margin. The cost of the products and FBA fees should not eat up all your profit. So look at FBA fees and the profit calculator, as they will help you to do your accounting up front. Listing quality. Look for niches with low quality listings. This way you will have easy entry into the niche since you will be able to offer a better listing. Date of when a product launched. Be careful when entering a niche with only new products from 2020. It can be a niche with a short life cycle. Choose niches with both old and new products. A niche score with an AMZScout's expert evaluation of the niche. To make sure you don't forget to consider all the aspects of your niche, we created AMZScout evaluations with clear explanations of every aspect. This way you can always double-check yourself. It also gives you other parameters you can use to identify a product with low competition and even profitability to bring you $10,000 a month. Step 3. Choose a product to sell on Amazon. There are 650 million products on Amazon. Which one should you sell? Only 1% of all products are profitable. How do you pick a product that works? Simply go to our website and look for a product. Find the sign-in option in the upper right corner, sign in, and you will see the application. Find the product database in the menu. Use filters to sort by category, price, weight, estimated sales, reviews, revenue, keywords, etc. This will help you select from a list of products with high potential. Add products you would like into the tracker to always have access to them and their fresh daily statistics. Exclusive Amazon Insights. This part of the bundle is a ready-to-go niches and products that are in the top 1%, delivered to you by email every week. Every month, you will receive 2 niches and 2 products that are the absolute strongest out of 50,000 niches. So once a week, you'll get a product or niche that is in the top 1% of opportunities in their category. That adds up to 52 fantastic potential product launches in a year. The market value of this exclusive research alone is $499. Less than 5% of niches can grow your business. The rest will lose you money. This is why we put our 4 years of experience and expertise into developing incredible AI. It allows us to analyze over 100,000 products at a time. You can find ready-to-go niches and products that overperform in parameters like revenue, growth pace, and sales velocity. This way you will spend 0 time on research and can launch new profitable products faster. Step 4. Source your product. So, you have selected a fantastic product. Congrats! Now you've got to source it. Sellers often think it's tricky to source products. With Pro Extension, you can click on Alibaba, and it will take you to a sourcing website specifically for the products you're considering. How to negotiate with suppliers, as well as how to get a private label product and ship it, are all covered in our course. Step 5. Reach your customers. Finally, you can sell your product and make a profit. How will customers find your product? How will you attract their attention and make them realize that your product is what they need? The right keywords and a quality listing will help customers find and appreciate your product. Use reverse ASIN lookup to track competitors' keywords and instantly move up to their level. To access ASIN keyword lookup, simply go to our website and sign in using the button in the top right corner. Then click on the menu on the left and find this keyword tool. Copy an ASIN and you will see all of the keywords that this ASIN is ranked for, sorted by relevance. You can now use them if you have a similar product to get yours to the top positions on Amazon organically and for your PPC. Plus, keyword search allows you to find even more keywords relevant to your product and gives you an edge over competitors. You need the right keywords for a listing's title, bullets, description, back-end keywords, and PPC campaigns. This will allow customers to find, appreciate, and buy your product. To make sure your listing is high quality, use the Pro Extension Listing Score and get tips on how to improve it. Step 6. Stay ahead of the market. Once you launch, it's hard to tell if PPC is growing your natural position in an Amazon search. You could be spending money on PPC when it's unnecessary. Keyword Tracker shows your product's natural ranking for its keywords, so that you can stop advertising when the product is on top. It also helps advertise using the keywords that rank well naturally, and so you pay less per sale for ads. Everyday Sellers Helpers. With the AMZScout Amazon Sellers Bundle, you also get perks that help you to do research faster and get an edge over the competition. With Quick View, you can see product data right on the Amazon page. See if the products you like are sold by Amazon or FBA, and get other insights. There is no need to pull up the extension every time. The Amazon Sellers Bundle has all of the tools and know-how that you need to launch and grow your Amazon business. Get fresh niche ideas right now. Subscribe through the link below.